Hello friends, welcome back to Learning Nails and Aesthetics. We are in the Milady Nail book, Chapter 5, Nail Product Chemistry. Keep in mind, I am not AI, so mistakes will be made. Just laugh along with me, and we will learn this together. We're doing the chapter glossary, which starts on page 130 and only goes to page 131. So let's begin. Oh, don't forget, check out my other videos. I have some unboxings, some fun Temu nail products. We'll be doing a lot more of that, and let's grow this channel together. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe. And let's start the chapter glossary. Acrylates, specialized acrylic monomers cross-linking that have good adhesion to the natural nail plate and polymerize in minutes, used to make UV gels. Acrylics, the name for an entire family of chemicals used to make all types of nail enhancements and adhesives, including wraps, glues, UV gels, and liquid powder systems. Adhesion, a chemical reaction resulting in two surfaces sticking together. Adhesive, an agent that causes two surfaces to stick together. Catalyst, substances that speed up chemical reactions. Chemical, a substance obtained by a chemical process or producing a chemical effect. Coatings, products including nail polish, top coats, artificial nail enhancements, and adhesives that cover the nail plate with a hard film. Corrosive, a substance capable of seriously damaging skin, eyes, or other soft tissue on contact. Some corrosives have delayed action, minutes, the word minutes is in parentheses. Others affect the skin almost instantly. Crosslinker, a monomer that joins together different polymer chains. Cyanoacrylates, a specialized acrylic monomer, non-cross-linking, that has excellent adhesion to the natural nail plate and polymerizes in seconds, used to make wraps and nail adhesives. Evaporate, a change from liquid to vapor form. Fumes, a blend of soot-like particles mixed with vapors. Gas, a state of matter different from liquid or solid. Gases are not formed by evaporation of liquids, as are vapors. Gases must not be confused with vapors or fumes. Methacrylates, a type of acrylic monomer, cross-linking, that has very good adhesion to the natural nail plate and polymerizes in minutes, used to make all liquid powder systems and at least one type of UV gel. Methyl methacrylate monomer, the MMA, which we do not use, a substance in wide use around the world for many applications, such as bone repair, cement, for implantation into the body. Monomers, molecules that can polymerize to form long polymer chains. Nail primer, a substance that improves adhesion, used on the natural nail prior to product application to assist in adhesion. Oligomer, short chain of monomers that is not long enough to be considered a polymer. Overexposure, prolonged, repeated, or long-term exposure that can cause sensitivity. Overfiling, excessively roughing up the nail. Photoinitiator, a chemical that in combination with resins and the proper curing lamp causes UV gels to cure. Plasticizers, ingredients used to keep nail enhancement products flexible. Polymers, substance formed by combining many small molecules, monomers, or oligomers, usually in extremely long chain link structures. Polymerization, also known as curing or hardening, a chemical reaction that creates polymers. Simple polymer chains, the result of a long chain of monomers that are attached from head to tail. Thermal initiators, ingredients that use heat as an energy source for starting chemical reactions such as polymerizing monomers into polymer. UV stabilizers, ingredients that control color stability and prevent sunlight from causing fading or discoloration. Vapors. Vapors are formed when liquids evaporate into the air. And that is the end of chapter 5. We will start chapter 6 in future videos. Manicuring. That starts on page 135. I do put the page numbers in the video names, just as well as good information in the description box. If the numbers seem to skip, it is because, like, this is a good example. When this chapter ends at the glossary on 131, and I put that in the description, page 130 to 131. Of course, those numbers vary depending on how many pages are in the glossary. There are several that I had to do more than one video because it would have like 6 pages or whatever. Anyway, so I did not or have not been putting, when the next video starts, this would be 132, 133, 134. So the descriptions will say that this ended, chapter 5 ended on page 131, and chapter 6 started on page 135. So if you're just going by the numbers, it does look like that I left pages out, but these are pages that just have the pictures. So I didn't really think about that until the other day. So you're not missing out on anything. Maybe I should change that to where it makes sense when you're just looking at it. I don't know. Anyway, don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And my future videos are hopefully better, and I've hopefully gotten better than the first few that I made. The day may come when I don't make a single mistake, but, that's doubtful. So check out my other videos, the Milady Foundations book, as well as the Milady Aesthetics book, and all the other fun things. Okay. I appreciate you watching. I hope this was helpful to you. Have a great day. Thanks. Bye.